आमी कितलेय थँक्स म्हळ्यार ते पावना. हर एक रितीन तिणें म्हाका सपोर्ट केला. एक बरे क्रिस्ती मावल्या कुटुंबान तिणें म्हाका वाडयला. कितलेय थँक्स म्हळ्यार ते उणेंच. सो तिणें दिल्ल्या त्याग सॅक्रिफिसीक हांव केदाराय ऋणी जावन आसा. एक सांगणी आसा, एका हातान दिल्लें दुसऱ्या हाताक कळना म्हणून. सो ह्या पावंडार हांवें पावोचें जाल्यार ताच्या फाटल्यान साबार वर्सां कश्ट काडून म्हाका बरें शिकप दिलां म्हज्या डॅडीन. तुकाय हांव मस्त देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. हांव हांगा नासल्या टायमार खंयचे काजाराचे काले प्रिपरेशन जावन दी, काले जावन दी, पुरो ताणें बऱ्या तरान केलां. सो तुकाय हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी सगळ्यांक कितें कितें जोडी वळख आसा आनी तांचे व्हिडियोज तुमी पळयतात म्हणून हांव पुरागी करता. कशें तुमकां हांसयतात पळय तशें ल्हान जावन आज म्हणसर म्हाका खंयचेय दूख येनासतना बऱ्या तरान म्हज्या भयणीक सपोर्ट दिला. सो हांव ताका काळजो तावन देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. कॅनडान हांव पयस आसल्यार एक दीस ही चुकोना ताणें म्हाका विचारचें कसो ऑल ओके गी, जाल्यार बिंदास राव, गंमत राव. सो तुकाय हांव मस्त थँक्स म्हणटा. आनी तशेंच स्पेशल थँक्स भावोजीक म्हणटा. हांवें म्हजो भावोजी तो, बट केन्नाय आमचे भावोजी बरी बॉन्ड ना. तो म्हाका एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड आहल्या बरी. सो आमच्या दिता बॉन्डिंग. सो ताकाय हांव मस्त देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी सगळ्यांक करता ल्हान जावन आज मनशां लायक केदलाय आतां सामिता आसा पूण पयल्यांदा हांव केदारलाय हांवें आसचें खाली आठवटोक मात लायक तो म्हाका एक बॅकबोन आहल्या बरी केदारलाय. सो ताणें काजाराक जावन दी खंयचेय जावन दी लायक पयल्यांदा हांवें सुमार सपोर्ट केला. सो ताकाय हांव थँक्स म्हणटा. आज सामिता म्हज्या बगलेक रावल्यार प्रमुख जावन हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा ताच्या मोगाच्या मम्मीक आनी डॅडीक. आनी तशेंच आनी ती मुखार म्हजी मम्मी डॅडीक. आनी तशेंच ताच्या भावाक आनी वनीक आनी सावाना आनी सियाक. तांणी म्हाका हर एक तरान सपोर्ट दिला. दे हॅव वेलकम मी विथ दे ओपन हार्ट्स. And also thanks for believing in me, trusting me. I know she's world to you, but I promise that I'll keep her happy forever and protect her. Yeah. Also म्हजे नेफ्यू आसा ते नेडन आनी नेस्टर. आतां जाल्यार ते पोखरी करना सारकी ना. ओके बसल्यात ते. सो थँक्स बोथ ऑफ यू फॉर ऑलवेज चियरिंग मी अप. तशेंच ह्या काजारा खातीर सुमार पयस जावन म्हजी सगळी कुटुंबाची आयल्यान आंटी जावन दी, अंकल जावन दी, कजिन्स जावन दी, हर एका म्हज्या फंक्शनाक पुरो तरान बरे तरान सपोर्ट केला. तांकां सगळ्यांक हांव कोणाचें नांव काडना, बट पुरांक हांव काळजा जावन देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तशेंच म्हजी मदन कामा निमती तांकां येवंक जावना, तांकांय हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी आयचे हे बरें डेकोरेशन केल्ल्या SK डेकोरेटर सुजन आनी सुजीत हर एक दीस ते आमचे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आसले. पुराय तांणी बरें जावंचे म्हणसर तांणी पळयलां. तांकांय हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. रुचीक रांदप केल्ल्या न्यू डेलिशियस कॅटरर्स तांकांय हांव काळजा जावन देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी तशेंच फोटोग्राफी सेलेब्रंट किशोर आनी किरण प्रोडक्शन्स सेलेब्रंट हांकांय हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी DJ म्हजो मोगाचो मित्र ल्हान जावन DJ सुजय, तुकाय वन ऑफ द बेस्ट DJ इन टावन. तुकाय मस्त देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी तशेंच लायव्ह स्ट्रिमींग केल्ल्या क्रिश्चन झोन हांकांय हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी इन्फिनिटी बार थँक यू फॉर कॉकटेल्स अँड मॉकटेल्स. आनी आयच्या दिसा आमकां बरे तरान भलायकी मागलेल्या फादर विरेश माम, तुमकांय हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. ओके आय थिंक हांवें पुरांकी आनी सांगल्या थँक्स म्हणा, बट हांव कोणी विसरला न्ही सांगूंक. ओके सो स्पेशल थँक्स म्हणटा हांव सामिताक. आय नो दिस journey of 8.5 years, like 8.5 years, was not easy. We grew, we struggled, we learned. Yeah, but always we promised that we'll always stay by our side, supporting each other. We never gave up. So I want to thank her from the bottom of my heart for always being with me. We've been through many ups and downs, but always she was with me, supporting me. So I don't know like what I did in my past that have got you, and I'm so blessed to have her by my side. Yeah, thank you.
Guess we all know who is a better public speaker now. So, good evening, everyone. First and foremost, I thank Almighty God for blessing me in Princeton with this most beautiful day in our lives that we've been dreaming for so many years now. I want to take a moment to remember our Abbas and Mai's in heaven. I'm sure they're showering their blessings on us today. Truly, this is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. As I stand here, my heart is filled with gratitude. People often say that they have never seen God, but I've always felt God's presence through the love of my parents. Mummy, you are my first friend, my confidant, and my safe space. Every hug, every meal, every sleepless night, every worry that you have carried on my behalf, I can't tell you what it means to me. Thank you for everything that you have done. Thank you for making me strong yet gentle. I love you so much, and no words can describe my love for you. My dada, you're my pillar of strength. You've guided me, corrected me with love. Your silent sacrifices, even though I might not have seen them, have spoken louder than words. You're truly my superhero, Dada. I love you. As I stand beside Princeton today, I realize how much your love and togetherness means to become a family. Now to my brother, my Baba. Despite the huge age gap between us, he's never made me feel just like a small child. He's always wrestled with me like any other siblings would do. He has taken care of me like a second father and protected me and shielded me. You're my hero, Baba. You're my role model. I can't tell you how much I admire you. I know I can always count on you no matter where life takes us. Love you so much. To my darling Bai, thank you for being so caring, loving, and supporting always. You've taken care of me a lot in Dubai. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. I love you. And to my little two nieces, Savannah and Ciara, you both are my mood boosters. No matter what my day looks like, just their smiles and hugs can change everything. So love you, sweethearts. To my new family, whom I can now call Mummy, Dada, Delora Bai, Baoji, Atta. From the time that I've known you guys, you've never treated me like an outsider, but just like your own daughter. It really means a lot to me. Thank you for welcoming me with so much love and warmth. I can't wait to create more beautiful memories with you all moving forward. Thank you so much. Especially Delorubai, I can remember a countless exchange of ideas. Yeah, so love you guys. To my mums and dad's side of relatives, all my bappus, maushis, akkas, mamas, mummies, thank you for your constant love and support throughout my life. My cousins, Machados, Pili Machados and Sankotpur D'Souza's. thank you for everything. Thank you for all the love that you poured into throughout all the functions, right from engagement, rose, and today the wedding. Thank you, guys. I want to specially thank Bhaiya Auntie. She has also taken care of me like her own two beautiful daughters. I want to thank Preen and Paul as well for supporting me throughout my wedding planning. I want to thank my godma, Nimpa Auntie, for all your love and care throughout my life. And to our lovely bridesmaids and groomsmen, everybody, thank you so much. And to everyone present here today who have come from near and far, some of you who have known me from my childhood and some of you who have recently just joined my journey, thank you so much. Your presence really has made this evening even more special, and it really means a lot to me, Princeton, and to both our families. And I also wanted to mention Arnab Uncle for always your support to our family. Thank you, everyone. And last but not the least, to my husband. I can't believe I get to call you that now. Thank you for being there for me always. You calm me when I panic. You make me laugh when I want to cry. And you love me even when I don't deserve it. So thank you, Pitta. Every person who knows Pitta here, I believe you know what a gem of a person he is. And I can't believe that gem belongs to me now. So thank you for being my constant, my best friend, and my forever now. Love you. And not to forget our lovely host for tonight, Vijay Dixon. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. I'm sorry if I missed anyone. Enjoy the party.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Thank you. And I want everybody, I think, तुम्ही wine things save कर दौरला जाल्यार wine असो glass वयर उखलचे. If not, then just raise your hand. And all these 8 of you, please stand and let us raise our glasses up and wish for the health, wealth, and the prosperous life of both of them. 3, 2, 1, loudly say. Cheers for your wonderful beginning. Over to the delicious caterers, please take out the glasses now.